welcome to Lowell Machines and Novelties. And for today's unboxing series,
ASUS TUF A15.
MECHA Gray Specs, Operating System, Processor, Graphics, Memory, Display, Storage, Battery, Power Supply, Keyboard, Touchpad, Audio, Camera.
MECHA Gray, let's go!
First, let's open the box. Press the handle, then open the box. Ooh, we got the TUF stickers. Oh, shiny. Later sticker, because here is the machine in 3, 2, wow! The top is made of metal and the TUF logo is embossed.
For I/O import,
Let's check the
here,
We have air vents. And for the right side, USB port, vent, Kensington lock. Left side, audio jack for speaker, headphone, or mic. USB port, 2 USB Type-C, HDMI, LAN port, and power. And at the bottom, we have multiple air vents. Next, let's check the
display panel,
lift the lid to open. Chadan! The display, big touchpad, and keyboard. Status indicators and dedicated keys.
let's check the box,
We got the user guide and the warranty. The power supply is right over here. And it's big. Let's remove the plastic. There you go. And on the other side is the power cord. Let's connect them together. As you can see, the cord is not plugged in the outlet because this is dangerous. Ask grown-ups for help.
next, let's turn on the machine,
Here is the power button. We already configured the software while in the store.
let's go to the hardware,
First, the mouse. But before anything else, please like, share, and subscribe. Insert the mouse USB to the USB port. The mouse is working! And let's check the background. This one. And next, the TUF Armory. Here, you can check the status of CPU, GPU, memory, and storage. Very interesting, right? Here, we can change the lights of the laptop's keyboard. I choose blue. Next, the mouse lighting. Blue as well. Beautiful, right?
Next, the power
Goes right here. And it's charging.
Next, the external keyboard.
Let's plug in the keyboard. And change the lighting to blue. There you go. HDMI for the monitor. Right here.
Headphones.
And last, our headphones. The jack goes right here.
All good. Then let's go and play.
Here are my favorite games. Let's play Plants and Zombies. Playing this game is much better than our old laptop. This machine is not just for games. It will be used for work, game developments, and Arduino projects for the future episodes. Very interesting, right? Please like, share, and subscribe. And